Hello there YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, Workshop Fun. I just thought I'd post a very quick update on my stick welder. A couple of things have happened lately. I topped up the welder with the transformer oil that I was buying. So that arrived and I topped it up with 2 litres of transformer oil. That's now raised the oil level to about 12 mils above the top of the transformer, so that's good. That should increase its duty cycle now. Being an oil filled welder, if the oil is low, well, of course the welder will get hot quickly, so by topping up the oil to the correct level, it will now remain cooler for longer, and that should increase the duty cycle. I've heard though that with these oil cooled welders, as long as they're above the transformer, the oil, as long as the oil is above the transformer, I've heard that you can run these welders just about all day long. I certainly won't be doing that though. I'll just run it on its correct duty cycle. The other thing I've done is got a 19 meter long power lead for it. It's the thickest power cord you can buy here in New Zealand without getting an electrical license. It's very thick, very beefy, and should happily run this welder. So I've done that and hooked that up to it. Before it just had a standard lead, which is you can get away with it, but you just can't run them as high. I still won't be running this up to its full amperage. This is a 220 amp welder. If I ran it up to the 220 amps, I'd blow the house fuse. The only way you can run these things up to their full potential is if you get a high output connection installed in the house. This would need a 32 amp output connection installed. Well, I don't really have hundreds of dollars to have that installed, so I'll just be running this at around about 15 amp, and I'll just use the first 3 wing nuts for my settings, which is about 150 amp on the third one, and you don't usually need to weld anything more than that. The last two, the last one there, that'll take it up to the full 220. It's actually 230. It says 220 on the machine, but this thing actually goes to 230. I don't really see any need to run the welder up that high. I won't be welding, that kind of steel. You'd be needing to weld 1/2 inch steel or something like that. I can't imagine myself doing that. I still haven't completed the welding leads yet. I got all the bits coming. I'm just waiting for them to arrive from overseas. Once they arrive, I'll then be setting these very nice welding leads up for the welder, and then I shall be able to start using this. Anyway, that's about all for now. I just wanted to give you people a quick update on what's been happening. And if you like this video, please hit the like, and if you wish to, please subscribe. Hopefully in the near future you'll see me welding with it. Thank you. Bye.